Hi, my name is Jim with FitMyFoot, and I'm going to show you how to change out your straps on your FitMyFoot sandals. Simply take the base of the strap, use your two thumbs, and push out. Same on the other side. And then on the left side is a metal key. You can see right there. And if you run your fingernail along the side there, it pops the metal key out. And then you take the two notches on your metal key, put it into the toe thong like that, turn counterclockwise, and your strap is released. Now we're going to take our other strap, place it inside the toe thong notch, and there's two little notches on this plastic piece here, and you want to make sure those go horizontally 3 to 9 like on a clock. And then take your key, put your key into the notches, turn clockwise, and your toe thong is now locked. Then take your metal key, slip it back into the space to use for next time, like that. And then you can decide whether you want your straps to go forward or back on your foot to make them looser or tighter. We're just going to put these back in the middle. There's one. There's the other. And now you have a different strap for your FitMyFoot sandals.